children, welcome back to the new session. Yes, the chapter is also different. It isn't in your textbooks. Alright, but earlier this chapter was included in 9th standard syllabus. Alright, this chapter is very important, especially in solving the word problems of chemistry and physics, and somewhere in maths also in your higher classes. So since we have enough time to do this chapter, let's do it, let's learn it. Alright, the name of the chapter is logarithms, and this is the first session. Now what is logarithm? We'll discuss later. But why logarithm? That we have to realize. उसका importance क्या है? Alright? चलिए. Let's do few multiplication sums. Alright? Okay? The very first one. 216 multiplied by 4. So 216 multiplied by 4. 4 6 are 2. 4 1s are 4 and 2 6. 4 2s are 8. So what is the answer? 864. 864. That is the first one. Second one. 42 into 37. 42 multiplied by 37. 0. 3 2s are 6. 3 4s are 12. 7 2s are 14. Carried over 1. 28 and 1, 29. Plus 4, 15, 5 and 1. So what is the product? 155. Now the third one. Okay. 605 multiplied by 29. 0. 5 2s are 10. 6 2s are 12. ये 0 की वजह से थोड़ा आसान बन रहा है. 5 9s are 45. 6 9s are या 9 6 are 54. और ये plus 5 4 5 7 1. So this product is 1754. Yes, 17,548. All right. Next, number 4. 4829 multiplied by 305. I kept 1 0 to keep the multiplication bit easier. 2 zeros. 3 9s are 27. 2 6 and 2 8. 24 and 2 12 and 2 14. Now 1 0. 0 9s are 0. 0 2s are, even if you don't write, it's okay. 0 9s are 0. 2s are 0. 8s are 0. 4s are, each one is 0. Now start with 5. 5 9s are 45. 5 2s are 10 and 4 14 1. 5s are 40 and 1 41 4. 5 4s are 20 and 4 24. So 5 4 8 12 7 4 1. So this product is 147284. Now I think I am tired. More than tired, I am bored. Kantaro available. Enough multiplication. It's becoming bigger. Now decimal points are involved. Let's see that. Forget decimal for a moment. This is number 5. है ना? Decimal को भूल जाओ. So 2 3 4 multiplied by 1 to 1. 2 zeros, 1 4s are 1 3s are okay. 1 0 2 4s are 8 6 and 4. And 1 4s are 1 3s are okay. वैसे तो सिंपल था ये 4 11 13 8 2. लेकिन ये बड़े नंबर हो, 1 ना हो, 0 ना हो, 2 ना हो, okay, then it becomes very difficult. So what is the answer here? Yeah. Now number of decimals. Okay. 2 3 4 multiplied by 121 is 28314. Therefore 223.4 into 12.1 is equal to, what is the number of decimal place? 1. What is the number of decimal place? 1. Total. So 2 places of decimal you put the point. 283.14. So this product is 283.14. Number 6. Root 3. First you will have to find the square root by division method. But we know the value because we have done surface area and volume. What is the value of root 3? 1.73 approximately. 1.73. Root 3 multiplied by 4.9. That is equivalent to 1.73 multiplied by 4.9. Forget decimal for a moment. Right? Multiply 0, 12, 28, 29, 2 and 6. Cancel that. 27, 2, 63, 65, 6, 9 and 6, 15. So 7, 7, 4 and 8. So 173 multiplied by 49 is 8477. But what you want is 1.73 multiplied by 4.9. Number of decimal places 2. Number of decimal places 1. Total 3. So 3 places of decimal. 8477. So point will be here. 3 places of decimal. So this product is 8.477 approximately, not exactly. Is that clear?
Yes.
Alright. अब भी ये 6 sums जो हमने किए multiplication में, they were not difficult. They were not
difficult.
But if I say number 7 is this, root 37 multiplied by root 28 divided by root 3, yeah, number 8, 49253 multiplied by 4.5610 upon 0 ने मतलब 9 देंगे is 91.234. Will you be able to simplify this? You will be, but it will take a long time. The task would be so laborious that you will give up. And there is every chance that you make mistake. Because so lengthy simplification sum it is, that you will get tired, you will get bored. Alright? So somewhere there is every chance of making mistake. Okay. So what to do? Mathematicians had to think कि इसका तो कोई इलाज करना पड़ेगा, उसका कोई रास्ता निकालना पड़ेगा. And they discovered, not discovered, they invented logarithm. We should say invented. Discover मतलब जो था उसको ढूंढ लिया. Invented मतलब कुछ नया ही ढूंढ लिया. So they invented logarithm. Alright? यही sums हम logarithm की मदद से करेंगे और चेक करेंगे आंसर. Are we getting? We might not get exactly 864. In most cases we'll get, but very close to that. The difference would be negligible. Difference would be
Negligible.
But for calculating this type of sums for hours and hours together, you can do it in minutes with the help of
Logarithms.
and those which you can do in minutes can be done in seconds with the use of logarithm. You understand? Yeah, but then what is logarithm and what are the rules of logarithm? Working rules of logarithm. उसको हमें पढ़ना होगा, उसको हमें सीखना होगा. We'll have to learn that. Okay? All right? So children, before we learn what is logarithm, we need certain pre-preparations. उनमें से एक चीज है representation of any number in standard form या scientific form. Let's see. Representation of a number in standard, or you can say scientific form. Alright? Representing any number in standard or scientific form. Alright? वो बहुत जरूरी है. ओके? कुछ प्री प्रिपरेशन हम कर रहे हैं. And any number x, let's say that number is represented as product of two parts. The second part is power with base 10. Second part is always a power with base
10.
First part, let us say A, and this 10 raised to B. And of course, b is any non-zero integer. B is any non-zero integer. Okay. So what is a? First part always larger than 1. It can be equal to 1, but less than.
10.
But less than.
10.
Now try to understand. Question here. Represent the following numbers in standard form. Yeah, scientific form. And the number is 235. This is the number. You have to represent in scientific form. अच्छा चलो. In this number, where is the decimal point?
After 5.
Very good. It's here. That's why it's not written. The decimal point is at the end, so it's not written. If you want, you can put 0 after that, but it has no meaning. Right? So this is 235. The first part A has to be between 1 and 10. The first part A has to be between 1 and 10. So I'm going to shift the decimal somewhere so that that decimal number lies between 1 and 10. So where should I put that decimal?
2 point after 2.
Between 2 and 3.
3.
If I shift this decimal between 2 and 3, if I put the decimal instead of after 5, between 2 and 3, that number will read as
2.35.
2.35, and that number is between 1 and 10. 1 होगा तो भी कोई बात, but that number is between 1 and
10.
So वो करने के लिए मुझे क्या करना होगा? 235 divide by not 10. 2 digit हम शिफ्ट कर रहे हैं, we are shifting 2 digits. So divide by
100.
But if I divide by 100, I have to multiply by 100 as well.
Yes.
If I divide by 100, I have to multiply by 100 as well. Are you getting me?
Yes.
या तो फिर कुछ ऐसे समझो, multiplied by 1 is 235 multiplied by 1. I'm writing 100 upon 5 upon 5, 10 upon 10, 7 upon 7. 1 के लिए कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं. This denominator 100 I'm going to adjust with this number. 235 upon, and this I'm going to write in power form 10 into 10. क्योंकि दूसरा मुझे power form चाहिए. बोलो 10. Yeah, this is decimal form. बोलो 2 point into 10. Therefore 230. So the number 235 is written in the form of product of two parts. The second part is power with base 10, and first part lies between 1 and 10. So this right hand side is called standard form or scientific form of this number 235. Is that clear? Let's see more. Second, 14. Where is the decimal? Where we need between 1 and 4. We need it between 1 and 4. And to get that, I'll have to divide 14 by 10. Yes. So I'll have to multiply also by 10. Now this is 1.4 into 10 raised to 1. 1 to hai na? So therefore, 14 is represented in scientific form as 1.4 into 10 raised to 1. ना लिखोगे तो भी समझ में आएगा. Okay. The next one. Third one. 25.1. Where is the decimal?
25.
Between 5 and 1. And if you read this number, it is 25.1, which is not between 1 and 10. So you will have to shift the decimal. Very good. Between 2 and 5. So you have to shift 1 digit to the left. You have to shift 1 digit here everywhere. Shifting 2 digit to the left. Shifting 1 digit to the left. Left side. Shifting 1 digit to the left. So that means divide. 25.1 divide by 10. So यहाँ आ जाएगा decimal. If you divide by 10, you have to. So here I am using this. What will be the simplification? 2.51 into 10 raised to 1. Therefore, 25.1. This number is represented in scientific form as 2.51 into 10 raised to 1. Yeah, 10 you can see, no problem. Okay. Next, number 4. Alright. 5.8. Now this is going to be interesting. 5.8. You have to represent in the form of two parts. Product of two parts. चलिए. Where is the decimal? कहाँ है? Between 5 and 8. कहाँ होना चाहिए? जहाँ है वही होना चाहिए. क्योंकि 5.8 if you read that number it lies between 1 and 10. Correct?
Yes.
So जहाँ होना चाहिए वही. तो हम shift नहीं कर रहे. So that, yeah, 5.8 as it is multiplied by 1. तो लिख सकते हैं ना? So that is 5.8 into 10 raised to 0. Anything raised to 0 is 1. 1. So 5.8 is this. So this right hand side what you see is scientific form or standard form of 5.8. क्योंकि second part should be power with base 10. वो power होना ही चाहिए with base 10. Is that clear? Understood? अब देखो. In first three cases we shifted decimal to left side. है ना? Left side. और वो तो वहां ही रहा. How many digits to the left?
2.
So 10 का index plus 2. How many digits we shifted?
1.
To the left. That is very important. To the left. So index of this power is plus 1. How many digits we shifted to left?
1.
Left means plus. And 1 digit, so plus 1. Alright. How many digits you shifted? 0 digits. 50 नहीं किया तो 0. So 10 raised to 0. Are you getting me?
Yes.
अब आगे देखो. Number 5. Alright. Alright. अब क्या करेंगे? Where is the point between 0 and 8? And where is the requirement? Between 8 and 3. तो आपको तो यहाँ चाहिए. So see what you are doing. That is equal to 0.83. Right में हो तो multiplied by 10. Multiplied by 10. और upon 10 बाकी रह जाए. When you multiply, it is 830. 83 10 are 830. Number of decimal places to 1 2 point. आ गया क्या नहीं?
Yes.
So you have to multiply. If you have to shift digit to the right, you have to multiply. If you have to shift the decimal point to the, you have to divide. तो ये multiply वाला use करूंगा. So that becomes 8.3 upon. So 8.3 multiply. ये 10 raised to 1 है, तो वो 10 raised to minus 1 होगा. So 0.83 is 8.3 into 10 raised to minus 1. How many digits the decimal point shifted? 1. So जो power with base 10 है उसका index 1. But ये right में shift हो रहा है, so minus 1. जब left में shift होगा तो वो plus. Are you ready for the next word?
Yes.
Sixth one. Here. Alright. Where is the decimal? Between the two zeros. Where it should have been in the scientific form?
2.55.
Between 2 and 5. यहाँ होना चाहिए. अब मैं सीधा कर दे रहा हूँ. डायरेक्ट. ये सब करने की जरूरत क्या? 2.5, that is first part, into power with base 10. 1 2 3. So 3 right base. So minus 3. हो गया डायरेक्टली. Is that clear? But you have to remember. Alright? 495.2. What is your aim? To represent this number in standard form. Acha, where is the decimal point?
Between 5 and 2.
Manthan, where it should be? अरे बिटवीन फर्स्ट टू डिजिट्स, जो भी जो डिजिट होते हैं, सो यहां से यहां होना चाहिए बिटवीन 4 एंड, सो बिटवीन 4 एंड 9 शिफ्ट कर देते हैं 4.9521, यहां से शिफ्ट हो गया into power with base 10. How many digits? 2. So 2 or left. So plus 2. No need to write plus 2. So ये रहा आपका scientific form या standard form of this number. जब तक तुझे पूछा नहीं तब तक तेरा concentration यहाँ नहीं था. अब समझ में आया. Number 8. All right. Where is the decimal point? Between 0 0. Where should it be? Yes, पहला digit 3 है. So between 3 and 0. So that is equal to, वहां point रख देंगे तो 3.053. ये बीच में है सो रहेगा. आगे वाले 0 लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Into 10 raised 1 2 3 digits, so 3 और राइट में शिफ्ट किया so माइनस. This is how you represent any number in scientific form. That clear? Okay? Sure?
Yes.
All right, children. To understand what exactly logarithm is, still our pre-preparation work is going on. We saw how to represent any number in standard form or scientific form. Okay? Now let's see repeated addition. Here, what you have? 4. Single 4. Then 4 plus 4. 8. And 4 is repeatedly added with itself 2 times. 4 plus 4 plus 4. 10. Here 4 is repeatedly added with itself 3 times. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4. I'm not asking your total. Just observe. Observe and understand. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 4 is repeatedly added with itself 5 times. Alright? Yes. Now you tell me the value. This is equal to, this is equal to, this is, and this is. Without adding, you all are saying because you know the tables. Okay? And actually table came into existence from here. Mathematicians thought, इतना लंबा लिखना, there should be some writing convenience. कोई writing convenience होनी चाहिए. ये repeatedly added है. So क्या बोला? This is 1 times 4. This is 2 times 4. ऐसे एक rule बना दिया. 2 times 4 मतलब 2 times 4 is repeatedly added with itself. 3 times मतलब 3 times 4 is repeatedly added with itself. 4 times 4. So 4 times 4 is repeatedly added with itself. बोलिए 5 times 4. So 5 times 4 is repeatedly added with itself. बोलो 6 times 4. Now you know multiplication is commutative. 1 4 can be written as 4 1 2 4 can be written as 4. तो यहाँ बोलो 4 1 क्या 4. 4 2 क्या 8. 4 3 क्या 12. 4 4 इसको सीधा करो उल्टा करो कोई फर्क नहीं. 16. 4 5 20. 4 6 24. This is how table came into existence. Sir, कौन है बोलिए? But this is how table came into existence. Repeated addition gave you the tables, and after learning the tables, you know big calculations can be done little bit quickly, but you should know the tables. So that was all about repeated addition. Repeated addition. All right. Pay attention. Now repeated multiplication. हाँ, इसी को हम table कहते हैं. We call this as table. You understand? Value of 2. Just 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 into 2 into 2. 8. This. 16. And this. एक एक को 2 बढ़ता रहता है तो मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2 करके कर दिया आप लोग. सही. अच्छा है. Now, how many times 2 appears repeatedly multiplied with itself?
One time.
So साइंटिस्ट ने एक रूल बनाया, जो रिपीटेडली मल्टीप्लाई होता है उसको लिख देते हैं, एंड द नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स इट इज मल्टीप्लाइड थोड़ा राइट में ऊपर से, राइट, ऐसा रूल बना दिया उसने. बोलो 2 इज रिपीटेडली मल्टीप्लाइड, सो 2 हाउ मेनी टाइम्स? 2 टाइम्स. राइट में उसको थोड़ा यस कैप लगा देते हैं. बोलो दिस विल बी 2 raised to 2 raised to 2 raised to 2 raised to 6. I can write like this: 2 raised to 1 is equal to 2. 2 square is 4. 2 cube is 2 raised to 4 is 2 raised to 5 is 2 raised to 6 is, and so on you can get. So repeated multiplication was briefly written in this form what you see here. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 is repeatedly multiplied with itself 6 times. Is briefly written as, હવે આવું 6 વાર લખવા કરતા 2 raised to 6 લખવાનું કેટલું આસાન. So for writing convenience, yes, they made some rule, ऐसा rule बनाया और सबने accept कर लिया. अब if I write 2 raised to 11, so everyone knows 2 is repeatedly multiplied with itself. इसकी वैल्यू ढूंढना हो तो मल्टीप्लाई करके देख लीजिए. If I write 11 into 7, so 7 is repeated 11 times. 7 is repeatedly added with itself. उल्टा कहना हो तो 7 times 11 is repeatedly added with itself. क्योंकि रूल पता है हमें. सो नहीं पता था, आज पता चला. रिपीटेड एडिशन ऐसे आया था. इसके बारे में तो कुछ तो ज्यादा याद था, लेकिन इसके बारे में टेबल्स हाउ डिड दे कम इनटू एग्जिस्टेंस आज शायद पता चला. एनीवेज, इसको भी एक नाम दिया गया पावर्स. द ब्रीफ रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ रिपीटेड मल्टीप्लिकेशन को बोल दिया गया क्या बोल दिया गया? बस उसके बारे में देखते हैं, पावर्स के बारे में. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी मोर अबाउट पावर्स. 2 raised to 5. डेफिनेटली उसका मतलब है 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 is repeatedly multiplied with itself. And if we talk about its value, you know it's 32. 4 4 16 and 16 goes up 32. All right. Now, children, normally ये जो पूरा स्ट्रक्चर आपको दिखता है उसे कहते हैं पावर. उसे कहते हैं and power has 2 parts. The one which is repeatedly multiplied with itself is called base. Base मतलब अत्यंत जरूरी चीज, basic thing, वो तो चाहिए ही. वो होगा तो ही पावर बनेगा ना. What is repeatedly multiplied with itself? 2. What is repeatedly multiplied with itself? 2. तो 2 तो दिखाई देगा. So उसको कहा base. वो basic चीज है, base. And how many times 2 is multiplied with itself? 5 times. That is called index. That is called index, or it is called exponent. And sometimes some children call it power, and that is accepted. But actually, this is power. The whole thing is power. And power has 2 parts: base and index. अथवा base and exponent. Power मत कहो, लेकिन कब क्या कहना है हम सीख चुके हैं. लाइन सेगमेंट का सिंबल लिखते हैं, कभी नहीं लिखते हैं. अभी ऐसा होगा तो लाइन सेगमेंट, ऐसा होगा तो रे, और ऐसा होगा तो लाइन. लेकिन हमारी अब टेक्स्ट बुक में ऊपर का कोई साइन नहीं आता है, सिर्फ ए बी आता है. वो हमें समझना है. वो दैट वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम द स्टेटमेंट. कहां किस स्थिति में दिया है उसके हिसाब से हम समझेंगे. तो ये भी जब when we use the word power, किस स्थिति में पावर बोला गया है वो समझना होगा. Is it in the form of exponent or is it the whole part अथवा whole brief representation of repeated multiplication? Is that clear? उस हिसाब से हम समझ लेंगे. But as someone said, this 5 is quite often called power. But actually, this brief representation, the short representation of repeated multiplication is called power. And basically it has 2 parts. The one which is repeatedly multiplied with itself is base, and The number of times it is multiplied is called index या exponent. Mostly exponent word is used. And you people mostly use the word power, but actually it's not called power. But then it was accepted. Okay, उसको भी power कह देंगे. Are you getting me?
Yes.
Okay. जैसे कि अब ये लाइन सेगमेंट वाली बात बताई, सिर्फ ये भी होगा हमको किस स्थिति में उसको लिखा गया उसके हिसाब से लाइन है या रे है या लाइन सेगमेंट हमें समझना है. तो उसी तरह पावर हो सकता है. Is that clear?
Yes.
अब एक रूल साइंटिस्ट ने या मैथमेटिशियन ने नया बनाया, जैसे कि 2 + 2 + 2 + 2 + 2 + 2 + 2 + 2 + 2 + 2 + 2 + 2 100 टाइम्स. उसको बोला 2 raised to 100. 2 raised to 100. बराबर ना? गलत. 100 टाइम्स 2. ये रिपीटेड एडिशन की बात कर रहा हूं. 2 is repeatedly added with itself 100 times. So 100 times 2. But if I say 2 into 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 2 100 times, then now it is 2 raised to
100.
okay 2 raised to the power 100 या 100 power of 2. ऐसे बोलते हैं in words. Alright? चलिए अब नया 2 raised to 3 is equal to what?
8.
That you know. I've just taken one power and that is 2 cube. And the value of that power is?
8.
What is the index? जो exponent है.
3.
Sorry, ये भी तो exponent है, उसका 1 है. दोनों साइड exponent है. Sorry, power है. But I'll consider this one. Okay? उसका index क्या है?
3.
मैथमेटिशियन में दिमाग में कैसे आया पता नहीं, बट ही सेड he called 3 as logarithm of 8 to the base 2. This is what he called. एक नया रूल बनाया, एक नया नियम बनाया. जो भी इंडेक्स है is logarithm of 8 to the base
2.
कुछ और. What is 3 square is equal to 9.
9.
So this is another power and its value. What is the exponent?
2.
So 2 is called 2 is logarithm. ऐसा रूल बना दिया. Logarithm of 9 to the base 3. Is that clear? All right. 5 cube is what? 125. According to the rule, 3 is logarithm of 125 to the base
5.
Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes.
अब उसको सॉरी इतना लंबा लिखना तो शॉर्ट करते हैं. इसको शॉर्ट फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं logarithm. So LOG, only first 3 letters. Log of 8 to the base 2 यहाँ नीचे, that is equal to 3. पूरा लंबा स्टेटमेंट ब्रीफ में कर दिया. Log of 8 to the base 2 is equal to
3.
यहाँ बताइए log of 9 to the base 3 is equal to you can write converse also 3. So 3 is equal to log of 125 to base. Did you understand? So logarithm का डेफिनेशन कुछ ऐसे आया. This is how एक रूल नया बनाया which was called logarithm. आगे चल के पता चलेगा. Okay, so we'll see the working rules of logarithm later in the next session. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.